this is our 5th stop. Yan, nandito kami ngayon sa Bakersfield. Yan. And here sa Palawan, sikat to. Kasi they make the best hopia in town. Masarap ang hopia nila dito. So mamaya ita-try natin. Meron sila dito mga binibetang mga breads, pastries. That's why they called it Bakersfield. Kasi, ayun, they bake. Area nila, ginawa nilang recreational. May mga playground for kids. May mga kainan dito sa loob. Magaganda yung mga area for pictures. Yeah, and busy siya. Maganda dito, this is a must try din pag nandito ka sa Puerto Princesa. So puntahan nyo to, mag-enjoy kayo dito. At pwede na rin kayo dito makabili ng mga pasalubong din. Yan yung hopya nila. So, that's it! Let's play! Let's play!
Isa pinantay nga apat.
So we are here sa store ng Bakersfield. Ayan, ang mga paninda nila. This is all the hopia. Bili tayo ng pasalubong. Okay, so we are now here at our 6th and last stop, Butterfly Garden. Daming butterfly, kasi butterfly garden to. It's already 3 p.m. Nag-start kami aming city tour ng 9 a.m. So yan, medyo nakakapagod na. Pero everything is worth it. Lahat maganda. Nag-enjoy kami super. And after nito, babalik lang kami dun sa accommodation to rest and freshen up. And then proceed na kami to dinner. So let's go. Explore natin ang mga butterflies. Oh, sorry.
Wait, isn't that a bad omen? Or is it a good omen?
No? Because you are here inside the butterfly.
Yeah.
So it's
It's not our Lola.
given.
Okay, that's that. Okay.
And lastly, they live in the southern part that's about 200 kilometers away from here. But now, they don't work.
Ang galing.